Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Babusha. I have recently started my YouTube journey and I'm really into makeup. So if you enjoy makeup related content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll really help me grow and it'll mean so much. So back to today's video. As you've probably read the title, I'm going to be doing a full face of NYB makeup. Now I used to really love NYB makeup back in the day, but along the way somewhere I just forgot about all of the products that I have. So I was like, let's sit down, have some fun with these products and do like a full face of NYB. So yeah, that's why we are here and that's what we are going to be doing today. So stick around till the end and let's dive straight into the video. Okay, let's dive into the first product that we have. This is the Orange Color Corrector Primer. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit. It says that it's supposed to prime your face and also give you a little bit of color correction. So let's try that out. By the way, I have already moisturized my face nicely so that we have a good base for the makeup. I'm just gonna apply that a little bit on my forehead too, on my nose, and just a little bit under my eyes. So I think it's done a fair enough job of smoothing my skin out. I do feel that it has become a little like smooth and blurred out, if I can say that. But in terms of color correction, not so much. I don't think it has evened out my skin as such. But yeah, definitely blurred it out. I can feel the difference. Overall, it's an okay, decent product, I would say. Next up we have this is the NYB Strobe Cream and the shade that I have is Pink Topaz. Actually, I love this strobe cream. This is something that I apply very often. It is such a beautiful strobe cream. It has no chunky particles and just gives such a beautiful natural glow. I just need like the tiniest of amount and that's enough to kind of give me this really nice healthy looking skin. I really love this strobe cream, so I know it works very well. It instantly gives you that glow, that sheen on your skin, and it doesn't seem like, it doesn't look very cheap or grainy on the skin. It just okay. Next up we move to the foundation. This is actually a foundation stick and I got this years ago and I don't think I've used it. The shade looks a little, I don't know, it looks a little too off for my skin tone, but nevertheless we are still gonna try it out. Okay, yeah, like I kind of guessed, this is not really my shade, but it's okay. The product in itself, as I'm applying it, I feel like it's not bad at all. It's covering some of the uneven skin tone that I have, so I feel it's medium coverage, sheer to medium coverage, a little more than sheer I would say, and it's quite creamy also. I really want a nice full coverage so I'm gonna go all out today. It has a very nice dewy finish which I actually quite like. I'm done with blending in the foundation and I do have to say that I honestly did not have so much of expectation from this foundation stick, but it has done a really good job. Okay, now it's time for the blush, and for that we have this cream blush and this one is in the shade Chirpy Peach. I honestly have never tried it, so I'm excited to see how this performs and I really hope that this does not move my foundation. So yeah, let's try it out. I'm just gonna pick that up with my finger right here and I am going to just dab it on my cheeks. It is so pretty. I love the color. Very pigmented. I think I took a little bit too much, but we'll try to blend that in. But overall I love the color and it's blending in also very easily, and the one thing that I'm really appreciating is that it's giving a very pretty dewy finish. We'll do the other side also. Just gonna take a little bit of that and Just gonna apply it here. Okay, final verdict is that I absolutely love this blush. I know that I've applied a little bit too much and it's a little too stark, but I have blush blindness and that's okay. So we're just gonna roll with this. I love the color and I also love the fact that it was so easy to blend and it's just given this beautiful sheen on my cheeks. I love this one. If you want to grab like an affordable blush, cream blush, then you can try this out. I personally really like this one. Okay, I just want to quickly set my base because I don't want any of it to crease. So I did not have a compact powder or like a pressed powder or loose powder from NYB, and honestly I didn't want to buy one. So I'm just going to use my Maybelline one, and I have used it so many times. I actually get a new powder. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit of the compact powder under my eyes and a little bit on the other side, and I'm just gonna dab a little bit here also on my smile lines. So I almost forgot about this product, and this is very new. I have not even actually tried it out. This is the contour powder contour, and yeah, it looks like this. It comes in the basic blush like packaging, and the one that I've gotten today is, let me check out the shade. This is nude brown. So I'm not particularly into bronzing and contouring, so I don't have too much of an idea, but yeah, I hope this works. I will just use my blush brush and I'm just gonna pick a little bit of it right here, dab off the excess because I don't want any muddy situation happening on the base that I've blended in nicely. I'm just gonna place just a little bit here on the hollows of my cheeks, just a little bit. The shade match is pretty decent, and thankfully it's not looking too muddy on my face also. It's just giving a very nice tanned, not tanned actually, like a sharper shadow kind of a thing. To the jawline a little bit here on the forehead, just a little bit on the nose. I think that's about it. I don't want to go in too much. Also, talking about the product, I think it's a really good contour. If you can find your shade or decipher your shade more like it, then you can definitely try this one out. If you are not in the contouring and bronzing game and if you just want to start, then I feel this is definitely a good product to start off with and learn. Okay, next up we move to the eyes. I wanted to keep the eye look fairly simple, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the same contour powder right here and I'm going to be using all over my eyelid as a nice transition shade. So I didn't honestly want to play around with a whole eyeshadow palette today because I have like the Star product with me, so I just wanted to use that one. Okay, so the Star product that I was talking about is actually this one. This is the NYB holographic eyeliner right here. The shade, it's a very nice, pretty pink, bluish, greenish shade. Like it has shifts of pink, blue, green. It's extremely pretty. What I'm going to be doing is just simply doing a nice line, and I'll show you how the color is. It's really pretty. See that color? I don't know if the camera is picking up or not, but it's just such a pretty eyeliner. Like I really love this on days when I don't want to do too much on my eyes, and yet I want to do yet I want to have some pop of color or something at least so that my eyes don't look too dull. Then this is what I go for. It's so nice. This is all that we're doing for the eyes, and I don't think we need to do absolutely anything more. I think it's going quite well with all the neutrals also that I'm wearing today. Very nice eyeliner. Okay, for mascara, I'm just simply going to be using my usual e.l.f. transparent mascara. We are going to apply this one right here in the same transparent mascara on my eyebrows to give it a slightly fuller look. Time for the lips now, and for that I have this perfect shade of lipstick. It is in the shade Peppy Pearson, and it's this beautiful nude brown color. Just look at that, so pretty. And also it has to be one of my favorite lipsticks. Like if I'm going to office or just going shopping or just stepping out in general, I do always carry this with me because the shade is just like appropriate for all times really. And it's super creamy and very comfortable to wear. I love this shade. So you know what, I'm feeling a little jazzy and fancy today, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying a little bit of this stroke cream right here that we applied on our base on my cheeks for a bit of extra glow, for a bit of extra pop. I'm going to take a little bit of the stroke cream right there, and I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And we're just going to blend it out nicely. I'm going to add the remainder of the product right here on my brow bone. A bit goes on the tip of the nose. Yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. Okay, we're down to the final product of the day. This is the Dewy Setting Spray, and from the looks of it you can see how much I have used it because it's almost empty. Back in the day I used to use it so often, but it's been a while, so let's spritz it all over. Okay guys, so that was all. I hope you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it. Let me know how you feel about this look. Honestly, I think it's come out pretty well. Found a new favorite of mine, which is the cream blush. So yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with the look. So with that, I will see you next time. But before we meet one another again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as it will really help me. And don't forget to like this video, share, and yeah, with that, I'll see you next time. Bye.